Portland area, water use can double in these hot temperatures, in large part because of outdoor watering. But there are some simple things you can do to use water more efficiently. An expert with the Tualatin Valley Water District showed us. It can be tough to know how often to water your lawn with all the rain we get in the Northwest. Tip number 1, keep it at an inch a week.
And then a little bit less for annuals, vegetables, perennials, things like that.
You can use one of these water gauges or even a tuna can to measure. Tip 2, water before 10 a.m. or after 6 p.m.
And the reason that is you tend to have cooler temperatures and the winds tend to be lighter. So both of those things equal less evaporation, less drift.
Tip 3, get a shutoff nozzle for your hose.
If you're using the hose and moving it around, make sure you invest in one of these shutoff nozzles, and you can save 5 to 7 gallons per minute just by, when you're not watering, water turns off.
Tip 4, if you don't have an automatic sprinkler system, buy one of these timer devices for your hose.
Turn the dial to activate it, and then the water moving through the device operates the timer, and when it reaches, say, an hour and a half, however long you've set it, half an hour, clicks off, closes the valve, turns off the sprinklers, and you're not overwatering.
Tip 5, make sure you're watering your lawn, not the sidewalk.
We've got kids and lawnmowers and dogs. Things just get knocked out of whack and are misdirected.
You can easily adjust the pop-up sprinklers by hand. If your sprinklers sit against the ground, call the manufacturer to see what tool you should use to move it back into the right place. And finally, don't mow your grass too short.
The taller you can leave the grass, it's going to provide more shade, so it's going to sort of choke out any competitive weeds that are going to try and get in there and create a blemish in the lawn.
And we shot that in Tualatin Valley Water District's demonstration garden. It's in Beaverton off Southwest 170th, and you can go there and walk through it to learn all about taking care of various plants. Also, you can check out conserve.h2o.org for more tips. And just a reminder, you should expect some max delays over the next few days. The trains have to run slower in the high heat. Temperatures in the 90s cause the power wires to sag and the rails to expand, so the trains have to stay at 25 miles an hour or less. And stay with KOIN 6 News for the latest on this summer heat wave, and you can check KOIN.com for more tips on beating the heat. Well, TriMet is